Press the needle position button to ensure that the needle stops at its highest point. Before threading, lift the presser foot first. There are two methods to place the spool. Method 1. Place the thread on the bobbin and choose a cap that matches the spool of thread. Method 2. You can use the included thread stand. Put the thread on the thread stand. Pass through the hole on the top of the holder. No matter which spool placement you use, the threading procedure is the same. Pass through the hook. Keep the thread taut. Pass through the clip. Pull the thread downwards and pass the spring. Gently lower the presser foot. Pull the thread upwards past the elastic hook and pull it down. Pass through the hook. Pull the thread to ensure smooth thread feeding without any jamming. There are two methods to thread. Method 1. Automatic threading. Pass the automatic threading device. Place the needle threader at its lowest position. Make sure the thread goes past the bulb. Release the needle threader. Pull out the thread with tweezers. Method 2. Manual threading. Use tweezers to pass the pinhole. Put the thread upwards and cut it. Prevents the line from being too long and causing a plug.